Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into a resource of the week called AppSumo. AppSumo is a centralized marketplace all around software deals. If you use software, I'm sure you're aware of this by now, but it seems like everyone seems to have a subscription for everything. Right? Everything has a subscription-based model at this point. And you know what? I am tired of it. So I'm leaning more towards lifetime deals for a lot of the softwares that I use on a day-to-day basis, just because, I mean, why the heck not? If it does the exact same thing as the softwares out there that you pay a subscription for, then what's the difference, you know? Anyways, an example of this would be like calendar bookings. Before, you could use something like Calendly and you pay every single month for access to that software so people can go in and book a call with you. They have their own version on here called TidyCal, which is a lifetime deal. It does the exact same thing as Calendly and you pay once. It was like $29. I mean, you can't beat that. So if you're looking for software and you're looking for a good deal, well, head to AppSumo. Now, with that said, let's head over to my screen here. We'll kind of tour around the place, show you what it actually looks like, how to find stuff, all that jazz. Now, this is the AppSumo homepage. This is what you're going to see as soon as you land on it for the desktop side of things. Now, personally, I use AppSumo for a source of software, not necessarily the courses functionality here, but if you're looking for courses, they do also have deals on that. So anyways, the main thing that I am usually after is gonna be software. And typically I'll just go up here to the top and search up the related software that I'm looking for. For example, I used the Calendly booking situation there a second ago. If we type in Calendly, right, it's going to suggest other alternatives that are in the same area that have, you know, actual reviews, people buying these things. You can see how people are enjoying them, but the kicker is that they are lifetime deals. So again, I paid $29 for this thing. It functions the exact same way as Calendly, and I don't have to pay for it again. So, you know, why not? But if you want to explore all the different types of software that they have available, just click on software over here in the top left side of the screen out of the 4 options that you see here. And it'll bring you to the browse software tab where you can view basically all the softwares that they're currently selling and providing deals for. So you can scroll through, you can go over here and filter by category. You can filter for alternative to what it's best for. Right, totally up to you as far as what you're looking for. So for example, maybe we're looking for a Zendesk alternative. Ooh, nice. That's cool. Anyways, you can click on that directly. From there, it will filter out everything and just show you the exact deals that they have in that category that might benefit you and your business. If you want to review any of these, just click on that offer directly. On the next page, you'll see a breakdown of that product or the software that we're looking at here with an overview, plans and features as we keep scrolling down here. There we go. In case you need different levels of access to whatever software you're looking at. As we keep going down, you'll see like a note from the founders, any Q&A, right? There is a specific reviews section at the very bottom, right? So you can see how people are actually interacting with that product and whether it's a good deal or not. Yeah, again, any other marketplace has the same functionality. Basically, it has all your questions answered on one page. And if you like it, buy it and move on. That's it. And that's basically it. There's nothing more to it. Honestly, just find a software you're looking for, pay once, be done with it. Don't pay month to month. It's fantastic. If you have any questions around this at all, feel free to let me know. I'm not necessarily like a pro of every product on the specific site, but I can still point you in the right direction in the case that you do have a question, or maybe I can find the right answer for you. Who knows? Either way, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next video.